Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is Feb 28, 2022. Let's take a look at the market, look at top ETFs, and look at beaten down growth stocks with great fundamentals. Let's get started. From a greed index perspective, we are in the fear zone. Look, we're in the extreme fear zone right now. Reading is 24. That tells you it's a good time to start picking great stocks and go from there. We'll surely talk about great stocks to buy. So with that, look, previous fear index reading was around 33. Now we are at 25. So this is extreme fear. I can see this going to about 20 or so. Then it will rebound nicely. So with that, there is always uncertainty. We have Feds looming with their testimony, and we got Russia and Ukraine issues, geopolitical conflict. So we got to be careful here. But at the same time, when the fear is in the extreme fear reading right now, 24, it's a great time to pick up some good stocks and build the portfolio. So with that, let's jump in here. Look, from a market perspective, we got Dow Jones Industrial Average trying to see where to go. In the futures market, we're up just 7 points here. So it's really thinking where to go right now. We had a nice fall, as you can see here, huge big fall, and we made some gain, as you can see here. Right now, market is thinking where to go, especially with a lot of geopolitical tensions and Feds trying to raise the rates. And look, S&P 500 is down in the futures market, slightly down 1.50. So this can lead into some issues tomorrow. It's a coin toss at this time. We might have a little bit down market tomorrow. And same story here, Nasdaq is down, as you can see here in the futures market, and Russell is up 3 points, slightly higher. So still, I think it's a great time to buy. Look, market is trending up in a long-term 5-year weekly time frame here. It's a good time to buy some quality stocks and go from there. All right, from an ETF perspective, look, we got S&P 500. Look at the volume. Great volume. Folks are really trading S&P 500. At the same time, look at the TQQQ. When the market falls down, and folks are buying a lot of TQQQ. It's a triple X, ETF on top of QQQ, bullish ETF. So a lot of people are buying TQQQ when the market drops off, and now they're getting a nice profit slowly but surely. That's always a good trade to buy when the market tanks big time. Buy some TQQQ. That will help you out. At the same time, when the market goes up gangbusters, buy some SQQQ. That can also help you. When the market comes down, you can make some money that way. So it's the trade that works off late. So you could take a look at that one. And then you got VIX here. Look, VIX is jumping higher, so there is uncertainty. Folks are really worrying about the geopolitical. That's why VXX is trading higher in the face of uncertainty and volatility. And same story, the UVXY, same story. When the uncertainty hits, UVXY also goes higher. That's what is going on here. So with that, I think take a look at these trends here. And also look at the RSI. RSI is pretty much low for most names here. With the few names like XLE Energy, RSI is higher. That tells you energy is going higher off late with all this uncertainty. And then you got stocks like IAU, gold. Gold is another good hedge. Look, gold is going higher. It's RSI 63. And GDX, again, gold here. Gold is going higher. So that's what is going on here. Uncertainty means energy is going up because of the energy issues, and gold is going higher. That's what's going on here. All right, now from a stock perspective, we are looking at stocks with volume, nice volume, more than 1 billion shares traded, low to mid valuation is less than 15, solid financials, Altman Z score more than 1.8. That tells you these companies are not going to go bankrupt. These are rock solid companies. And the books are improving, accounts are improving. With the Piotrowski F score is actually greater than 6, so that way it's really good from a book perspective. So with that, let's jump in and look at these names here. All right, so we got handful of stocks here. Look, EPAM, Today's stock came down. They did good on the earnings, but they did not give good. They did not give. They withdrew the guidance. That's why this solid company came down big time. Look at the one-day drop here. 45.7%, and this company operates in East European region, in Ukraine, Russia, and so on and so forth. That's why it's in the impact zone. That's why stock came down here. At these levels, I'm buying a small position here, and I might buy more if it comes down again. Look, this company has got great Piotrowski F score. It's 6. That tells you its books are very good. And Altman Z score is 7.2. That tells you they got a lot of money. It's a solid financially. And from a profitability perspective, it's number one in its industry. And growth perspective, it's number one in the industry. And overall score is 92. That tells you it's a solid company here. A huge drop. I think we should take advantage and buy some EPAM systems here and go from there. And then got a few more here. Mazimo, one of my favorite medical device company, as many of you know here. This company agreed to acquire a different company in the consumer electronics. That's why stock came tumbling down. Look at the huge big drop here. And as you can see here, this has got solid financials here. Altman's Z score is great. Piotrowski's F score is also great here. Number 2 from a profitability and growth perspective in the industry. Nice overall score of 77. So I would be a buyer of Mazimo also here. Great one to buy here. And then we got here VICR, VICR. Look, it's also a good one here. Look at the overall score, 77. Nice industry from a profitability perspective. Nice from a good number 2 in the industry, and number 1 from a growth perspective. And Altman Z score is great. It's a good company to buy here. Look at the Piotrowski F score. This tells you books are improving here. So it's a 7 is higher the better. 7 is great. It goes up to 9. 9 is the best. So this is a great one to buy here. So with that, we got few more here. I will not talk about each of them, and I will point out few ones here. Look, we got 2 here, MEDP and NetApp. Look at them. Both of them have got nice Piotrowski F score 8. One of the top here. That tells you books are very good here. And look at the grade from a industry profitability and industry growth perspective. Nice grade here. Nice overall score. I would be recommending these 2 here. It's a great one to buy here. And then we got a few more here. Look at INTU. INTU also dropped off big time. It's a great one to buy up here. Look, it's got nice overall score. Industry profitability perspective, grade 1 here, number 1 rank, and the industry growth is number 2 rank. And it's a good one. Nice Piotrowski F score 7 here. You could buy this one here. And we got a few more here. Look, we got Sky. It's got a nice Piotrowski F score here, number 8. That's a great one of the great score here. Look at the industry profitability and growth. It's a number 1 rank. It's a great one to buy here. Stock is dropping off in 1 day and 10 day here. It's a good one to buy here. I think it's you should probably take a look at this one here. And then we got a few more here. Look at these 2 here with nice grade 8 here. That tells you books are great. Overall score perspective, I think FICO is a better one here with the nice 76 score. You could buy that one here. And then we got a few more here. Look, we got 2 more with nice grade 8 from a Piotrowski F score perspective. Higher overall score, the better. I would look at TX here. That's a good one to buy here. And then we got here ENVA. It's also a good one here. Look at the overall score, 99. It's as high as you can get here. It's a good one to buy here. Look at the industry profitability and growth rate. Great rank here. I think it's a good one to buy here. All right, so we got one more page to go here. And look, keep watching the Piotrowski F score here. All are great here. Look, we got one with grade 9. That's a good one here. EVTC here. That one has got nice grade 9 here. It's the highest grade as you can get. Stock has been tanking off late, as you can see here. I think you could buy this stock here. It's a good one here and go from there. All these stocks have got quick ratio above 1. That tells you these These companies have got money to withstand any short-term financial obligations, no issues at all. And we got a few more as you can see here. Look at grade 8 and 9 here. Grade 8 we got Shoe Carnival here. It's a nice grade. Overall score is also great. You could take a look at that one also here. It's got a high short ratio as you can see here. And high grade perspective, you got EFT. It's one of my favorite stock here. Look, it's done great in 5 year 50 to 55%. You could take a look at this one also here. And I got a few more as you can see here. Look at few stocks with like CAMT here, Camtech. It's a great one, nice performance. Look at performance in last 5 years. It's done great here. And it's got good Piotrowski F score, nice Altman Z score, and nice overall score. You could take a look at that one also here. And we got a few more as you can see here. Keep watching the ones with the high grade. We got G here. G has got a nice grade here, number 9. And it's done just 77% in 5 years, not so great. And we got a few more with the nice ones here. I love Keysight, as many of you know here. It's been dropping off late. You could slowly pick up some quality stock here and invest for the long haul. And we got a few more here. Look, KLAC is a great one to buy at these levels here. It's a semiconductor stock, as many of you know here. Look at the industry profitability and growth, both grade 1 here. It's a great one to buy here. Similarly, we got a few more here. We got Deckers. Deckers, look, it's got nice grade, both grade 1 from a profitability perspective and also rank 1 from a industry growth perspective. You could buy this one also here. As you can see, we got a few more here. We got one more here, US8K here. It also has got nice Piotrowski F score, nice overall score. Has done about 75% in 1 year and 163% in 5 years. So with that, you could take a look at these names here and buy them slowly. And I also like JYNT here. It's a great one to buy here also. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.